So I'm here with this little guy. Hi! And I just brought him outside so he can play. Usually we'll go upstairs to the roof, but the elevator is temporarily out of service. So we can't get up to the roof unless we use the elevator. So just decided to bring him out here, blow off some steam. Hi! We're gonna play outside. You wanna play with your toys? But we gotta say thank you to our supporters. Say thank you. Where are you going? We're not staying out here too long because it's raining. But I like the rain, but I don't want Junior to be out in the rain for too long. He got his little Crocs on. Those are a size 7. He's like a size 6, depending on the shoe, but I'm surprised because those are a size 7, and he barely can fit them. Come on, this way. Or maybe he like fits them perfectly, but I don't know. I just like when his stuff fits loose, because if it fits too good, it seems like it's uncomfortable. Come on, let's go over here. I don't know why he wants to play by the trash can. He loves these little cars. It's always interesting how kids or just babies, because he started liking those little cars when he was a baby. He just became a toddler when he turned 2, I guess. But he naturally gravitated to the cars. I can't remember the first car he ever played with, but he was so fascinated with it. I think somebody had got it for him. Are you gonna play with your toys? But it's just crazy how babies will naturally take a liking to certain things. I guess he just wants me to chase him around all day. Where are you going? We gotta stay over there. This way. Today we're just chilling. His dad is at work. Well, his dad just got off at noon, and he had a few things to do before he came home, so we're on our own.
No.
Where are you going, little dude? This dude, he think I'm finna chase him. We ain't going back there. I don't want to be back there by the trash. And there's poop back there. People being trifling. Close this. Come on. Let's go the other way. Come on, that way. Uh-oh. So, do any of you moms out there be getting like nauseous randomly? Like that didn't start happening to me until after I had him. Like sometimes I'll eat. It happens to me when I eat, like say 2 bowls of cereal, or like I eat too much, I start getting nauseous. It never used to happen to me. It's weird. There's a couple of things that never used to happen to me until I became a mom. Here we go. Me to chase him back and forth. You see the rain? Get the rain. Did you hear the birdies chirping? Can we go this way? This way. No is his favorite word to say. Where are you going? We're not going by the trash. I don't want to go back there. Can we go the other way? I don't want to go back there. What you doing? Can we go over there? That way? There's a bunch of space over there. You hear the birdie? Also, it's February 1st. Happy 1st of the month, guys. This dude. Can we go the other way? Let's go the other way. You're just gonna come back this way. It's good you're getting some exercise. Was that a squirrel? What was that I just saw? Or a rat? Look, you want to go by the chair? The chair over there? You can play over there and it's dry. Why don't you go over there? That way. Of course. I thought he would want to bring the little toy cars out here to play with them, but I guess he just wants to run around, which is fine too. What you doing? No. He's always been fascinated with this little bucket here. We're not going back there. Go ahead. Oh, almost kicked the bucket. Yeah, so I'm just here with this little dude entertaining his Sunday shenanigans. We have a runner. Okay, son, you want to go inside?
No.
Be careful. All right, mommy's ready to go inside. We got to tell our supporters bye.
Bye.
We out.